Okay, so we're going to pick up from the nervous system and turn the page. Right, for organs of the nervous system, you should have the brain listed, the spinal cord, and nerves listed. For your function, you should have the nervous system works to coordinate, and the word coordinate is a fancy word for controls. Okay, so it coordinates, almost like manages, works to coordinate all actions and reactions of the body. Okay, and then go ahead and draw your space for your fun fact. Right, go ahead and turn the flap. For endocrine system, the organs that you should have listed are testes. This is for puberty, or initiates puberty. The ovaries, adrenal glands, pituitary gland, hypothalamus. I'm not sure how to spell that. We're going to go with that. It's probably not right. And there are many other glands. And glands is a term that is used to describe the organs of this, which is the endocrine system. There are many other glands that you may have listed. I'm just not going to go through all of them. These are the key glands that you need to at least have these in your foldable. All right, for functions of the endocrine system. The endocrine system is a lot like the nervous system because it also coordinates and controls certain body functions, just not all of them. So we're going to say that the function of the endocrine system is to regulate. It's another word for control. It regulates hormones in the body to maintain a balanced environment. Right, go ahead and draw in your area for the fun fact and turn the flap. For the integumentary system, which is just a fancy word for skin system, the organs that you should have listed are the skin, which by the way happens to be the largest organ of the human body. Okay, skin, hair, and nails. And the skin is actually quite unique because you can break it down into smaller organs. Within the skin, you have sweat glands. You have nerve endings that detect temperature changes and pressure changes or changes in pressure. Right, so the functions or the jobs of the integumentary system. The most popular function of this system is it helps to protect underlying tissue or living tissue underneath. Okay, the lesser known jobs or functions of the integumentary system include it helps to regulate body temperature. And the best example I can give you of this is sweat. So the sweat glands of the integumentary system or the sweat glands of the skin system help to cool the body down. The skin or the integumentary system also helps to, it also helps to detect, let me just start over, changes in the environment, okay, through nerve endings. So that one is also, that this function also plays a role in the regulation of body temperature. So it is the skin or the nerve endings in the skin that first detect the change in temperature, and then that prompts the sweat to be released by the sweat glands to cool the body back down. Right, and the fourth and final is it stores chemical energy. Okay, so adipose tissue or fat tissue is directly connected, or it's found in the bottom layer of the skin. So if you've ever eaten chicken wings and you kind of feel like my favorite part of the chicken wings is the fat tissue that's directly underneath the crispy part of the chicken. So that's the fat. And the human body can send blood over to that fat tissue to pick up stored chemical energy when it needs it. So if you try to starve yourself or if you're not eating well, your body can use that stored chemical energy as a food source, okay? And that's it for the integumentary system. Go ahead and turn the flap. We're on the digestive system now. This is our final body system. And we are actually going to go more in depth when we come back from our winter break on the digestive system. So we just need to get the basics down now, okay? So for the organs of the digestive system, you need to have the mouth, okay, which include the salivary glands. Notice how glands is the word that we also use in endocrine system. Okay, mouth, esophagus. That's an A right there. Stomach. Small intestine. Large intestine. And then I'm going to put the rectum / anus all in one bullet. And essentially, the digestive system is made up of a digestive tract. This is like one long tube of smooth muscle that is all connected from mouth to anus. So technically, your mouth is connected to your anus. Okay, so one long digestive tract. All right, we have some other organs that help in digestion, but are not part of the digestive tract. So the liver, gallbladder, and pancreas all play a role in the digestion. So we're going to list this over here. And we we call these extra organs. All right, so the job or the function of the digestive system should read, okay, it breaks down food into smaller let's say compounds or components. Let's say components. So that they can be used for energy by the body's cells. Great, and that is a final flap for our foldable. Okay, the final exam is going to cover all of the organs, all of the functions or jobs for all of these body systems. Make sure that you are studying every night, or studying this flap every night, but also the levels of organization. So those are the only items that are going to be on the final exam, is this flap and then your levels of organization. Great, thank you.